YouTube!
What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be working on installing my turbo housing. I'm gonna be showing you the step-by-steps of what I would do when I get it back from the powder coater and then getting it installed. I got new hardware as well and making sure that everything's all squared away, and then I'm gonna show you how I put it back on. There's gonna be a few little time lapses here and there, but I want to get it a little bit more in depth. It seems like the best route. Maybe, hopefully get some more viewers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright guys, this is a Borgwarner S259 turbo. And this just got freshly powder coated, so what I'm going to be doing is cleaning out these holes here. You should always do that when you get it back from your powder coater or doing like any sort of paint work. You don't want to get that stuff all messed up and crusty. One of these from Amazon, it just checks your threads and the bolt size, the bolt hole size. So I know that this is a M8 by 125, and wow, doing this left-handed and holding cameras, very difficult. So I know that this is the size, and what I'm using is this tap, and if you look on here, it focuses somewhere. It says M8 by 125. What's nice about this is like it's kind of tapered. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Don't look at the turbo. Well, you get the gist. Alright, now after you're done tapping your holes, you should be pretty nice and clean. But these are through holes, so you're going to have to clean out all the shavings inside here. You can kind of see there's a little bit of a puddle of... I use WD-40. So another thing I want to let you guys know is that when you're tapping, make sure you go like half turns and then back off, half turns and back off. Make sure it stays well lubricated, so you know, too much friction obviously is gonna, well, it shouldn't break this, to be honest, but just saying, it's common practice just to use some sort of lubrication, go into it, and then back off. Make sure you clean the tap every time you use it. There will be shavings on there, as you see right now. She's all cleaned out. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna put these bolts in. Actually, the old ones that came with the turbo are kind of crusty. You can kind of see that once it focuses on it. So I went to the hardware store and got new ones. These are M8 by 125 by 12 millimeter length. So I'm gonna be installing it. I'm gonna put it in.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Oh wait, I gotta do it again.
Go. Yeah, it's running right now. I'll trim it.
What's up, YouTube?